Descriptive statistics versus inferential statistics. First, let's define descriptive statistics. It comprises those methods concerned with collecting and describing a set of data so as to yield meaningful information. So tandaan tadi ang keywords, collecting and describing. Amo na siya ang descriptive statistics. Let's look at the examples of descriptive statistics. We have Table 1, profile of the respondents according to gender. So, makita din natin sa example sang descriptive statistics nga may ara sang gender, frequency, and percentage, and then the corresponding numbers. And then sa dalom niya may ara explanation about it. So, as shown in Table 1, 77 or 38% of the respondents are females. On the other hand, most of them are males, as indicated by the frequency distribution of 123 or 62%. One thing that you have to take note is the word tabular. Ano na siya ang tabular? So, from the word table, tabular. So, makita tadi sa example ang table. That is one way to present data. Another thing we have to take note of is textual. Ano naman na siya ya? So, textual from the word text or words. And makita ta sa dalom sang table, may ara textual presentation or description of the data gathered. So, let's look at the other examples. We have figure 1, profile of the respondents according to gender, and parehas lang na siya sang example ta kagina, although it is presented in a different way. Kag I'm sure familiar ka mo sa sining way of presenting data, and we call this pie chart or pie graph. And makita taman ang textual presentation or textual description sa dalom. As reflected in figure 1, 39% of the respondents are females. On the other hand, majority of the respondents are males based on the percentage distribution of 61%. So, class, every time nga mag-present ka mo something like this, sang pie chart, you have to make sure that you have textual presentation sa dalom, or it is a way to explain kung ano na da siya ang unod sang inyong figure. Another example is this one, profile of the respondents according to gender. So parehas lang sang examples earlier, but presented in a different way. And I'm sure you are also familiar with this. We call this bar graph. So you see their bars na naga-represent sang kada muon sang number of male or females. And also, we have textual presentation or textual description sa dalom. So, basahon ta. Figure 2 shows that there are 123 male respondents and 77 females. Clearly, males comprise the majority of the respondents. So, kung na-observe nyo, may ara kita na yield nga meaningful information. So, ang meaningful information that nakita ta nga mas damo ang male kaysa sa female sa aton nga nagather nga data. So, that is descriptive statistics. Now, let's go to inferential statistics. Ginatawag ta man na siya nga statistical inference. So, parehas lang na sila ha? Inferential statistics comprises those methods concerned with the analysis of a subset of data leading to predictions or inferences about the entire set of data. So, ang keywords naman nga tandaan tadi is predictions or inferences. Ano na siya magsiling ka inferences or inference? According sa dictionary, it is a conclusion reached on a basis of evidence and reasoning. So, for example, nakita mo ang friend mo daw permi siya ga-post sang picture sang iya nga jowa, kag do ka sweet gid sa ila, kag ka happy sa ila. Makahatag ka sang inference nga, hala mabulagay ni sila. Or joke lang. Makahatag ka sang inference nga, madayunay sila kay daw kanami lang taon sang sang pictures nila nga ka-sweet sa ila. So that's an example of inference kay may ara ka in evidence or reasoning. That's why naka-reach ka sa amo ng conclusion. Okay, so we have here examples of inferential statistics. As a result of recent cutbacks by the oil-producing nations, we can expect for the price of gasoline to double in the next year. So nga, inferential statistics ni siya. So, may clue kita sa sininga statement, the word expect. So, magsiling ka expect, wala pa na siya na tabo, and it's like predict. Kung magsiling ka predict, it may happen in the future. So, since medyo may kakulangan sa pag-produce ng oil, sa next year, base maka-expect nga medyo mamahal ang gasolina. So that's inferential statistics or ang conclusion nga pwede mo ma-derive. Another example, assuming that less than 20% of the Colombian coffee beans were destroyed by frost this past winter. We should expect an increase of no more than 30 cents for a kilogram of coffee by the end of the year. So ara naman siya ang magic word nga expect. Since may frost, medyo na-damage ang mga coffee beans. So, may kakulangan sa supply, we can say. Maka-expect na nga medyo mamahal ang kilograms ng coffee by the end of the year. So, that is an example of inferential statistics. Now, this is the summary. And these are the keywords to remember para ma-identify nyo easily ang difference between descriptive and inferential statistics. For descriptive statistics, the keywords to remember is collecting and describing. For inferential statistics, the keywords to remember are predictions or inferences. That's it.